How fucking stupid are them?
Morning, Matt.
Hello? Okay, you can hear me now. Hello everyone. Good morning. So yeah, we'll kind of talk about this. This was GJ trade. Yeah, buy above. Was alright, 22 pips, the zone was 24. You may have just got break even though on the last push down. Or you may not have, depending on your spread. Maybe your salaries, you might still be okay there. It's alright. I wasn't really looking at the charts by then. I was still getting off for the day. So that's okay. EJ kind of the same thing as well. So yeah, I think opportunities could have been there. Not bad. See if this can continue. This will be good. No low wick yet, but hopefully he just gets that drive. Obviously, you should be break even here. You should just expect this to push. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. So, yeah, in terms of today, let's take a look then. We'll go through everything in a second, but first things first, we always check news first. Why? Just in case, you know, you jump into a trade and you don't check the news, and there's quite a lot of news in that area can really screw you up, right? So 7 AM German WPI, CPI, yeah, so this is all fine. You got a lot of Euro news there. And then at 12:30 we have core PPI, Empire State Manufacturing at 12:30. So that's okay. So yeah, we seem to be alright. EJ maybe a little bit hard this morning, but that's alright. Looking like we're gonna get break even here. But yeah, we'll take a look and see what we can eventually do. Looking like Goldie respected them highs yesterday. Who got trapped in the news candle? My god, it came all the way up, then all the way down, then all the way back up. It was mad. It was mad. So let's take a look at how the daily closed. Daily closed bearish. First daily candle that closed bearish since the 7th of March. Okay. Looking like a celery play would be quite interesting, eh? Right now the daily time frame is bearish. Okay, so it's good to know. Good to know that we're kind of rejecting here. 1899. So yeah, around 1900 we are ranging at, which makes sense. The 4 hours have been, you know, closing a little bit weaker recently. This has been quite weak. This has been doji, this one as well, so it's okay. Looking like it is retracing a little bit, which is what's, you know, price always needs to do, right? Always needs some sort of retracement. Can't just continue up forever. So yeah, I mean, through the 30-minute time, as you can see, there've been some bearish candles here. So yeah, I mean, now it's looking like we're going to potentially get back down to 1896, which is 30 pips away. I don't think any trades above that I think I would take yet. I think the trade that I would want would be a little bit later. So look at the 15. Yeah, so potentially, I mean, 1896, you can maybe continue down, especially in the 30 here. Back down to 1888. Yeah, that's a huge zone actually. 70 pip zone potentially. So yeah, I'll be looking to take sells there to go back, to push back down to the next zone. Beautiful. Gold clean for sell if closed below 1896. Yes, I agree. To continue back down, well, first TP would be there, 1889. Yeah, great stuff. And then obviously further, probably not take any trades in this area really, unless we've really closed below 1883. Because if we close below 1883, we've got clean candles all the way to 1873. So maybe sells below there as well. $1883.36. Okay, good stuff. And then finally, an extra one would be a sell below 1855 to continue down to 1836. So these are all the selling points, right? There's quite a lot of them, which is good for future dates, not just today. You know, if you get down to here next time, it should be good. So they're all the selling ones. In terms of buying ones, what we can look at is different things. Oh, look like GJ may have kept you in. Max, would you consider gold if the 30-minute closed in the range, in the Asian range? No, I don't think so. Above 1901? No. I just think, I mean, maybe from 1901 you could take it to 1905, 35 pips. Yeah, maybe later on. Maybe later on, close back above that support. Yeah, maybe. There is a trend line that I've seen, which is good. So let me just mark that one on. Yeah, so you could either do it from there to there, which is quite a flat one, or you could do this one here. Oh, sorry, not that one. 1 second. It's here. So yeah, somewhere around like there would be nice. Be back above Asian highs. 1905 to 1908 would be great. But in terms of other buys, yeah, I mean, probably yeah, 1905, because that's quite clean back up. But apart from that, there is quite a lot of struggle for direction up here, which would be interesting to say the least. So yeah, this 30-minute time frame has closed bearish below. It's just that zone below is a little bit that is the only issue. Let's take a look. So if you got in here, flip, 22 pip stop, 23 pip gain. There's a little 15 support right there. It's alright. I mean, the 30s had a nice rejection. But yeah, I think below 1896 would be favorsome. So yeah. Does EJ and GJ get there yet? Not yet. Not yet. So let's take a look then at GJ. So GJ, the daily candle is bullish. Okay, bullish coming up, which is great. The 4-hour time frame, yeah, looking like it's made some support. 163.099 coming back up. Great stuff. So let's take a look then above here. Is there anything? There must be something. So yeah, same kind of thing. Buys above 164.428. Potentially later on. Looking like we are coming towards resistance right now at 880. Sorry, there's actually resistance there at 164.052. So yeah, I mean, in terms of buys, yeah, they're probably just going to be above here. Buys above 164.426. Why? Well, because that zone above is the cleanest zone. Yeah, cleanest zone all the way up to 165.092. Right here. So yeah, good stuff, man. If you're still in GJ, well done. I think you may be okay now, hopefully, to continue continue. But yeah, I think in terms of this morning, the better option really is probably going to be still gold sells. If you do want to continue down, retrace maybe a little bit, make maybe a weekly lower wick. We're still quite far from that though, actually. Yeah, weekly still has no lower wick. Interesting. Obviously, we're still very, very bullish, so. So how much would you be up by now if you got in there? 15, 16 pips. Stop loss is 22. So, you might be alright. But yeah, oh, did you guys watch the game last night? Oh my god. The game last night was good. So yeah, I think 1896 is gonna be the place for me. There's some wicks there to get to. That's 30 pips in profit. So yeah, and the reason why I'm a bit cautious of these sells right now is because yeah, hourly resistance there could act as support. So I'd rather wait a little bit later on. A little bit later on. To the EJ, yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna go through this really because there's nothing much to talk about, but probably sells back below 143 349. Yeah, sells below there, which would be great for moi because it should be a little bit lower. That zone below is hella clean. Pushes very quickly. Max, you time where London open? What? Your time is it's 8 o'clock when it's London open in an hour and 15 minutes. The ref was poor, but City was ahead. Yeah. Yeah, but well, for that little handball thing, that was a bit shit. Yeah. Then also, De Bruyne got fouled later on, and he should have got a free kick for that. And he got fucking yellow for it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me just look at EJ actually on the higher time frames. 4 hours coming back up, as I said, coming to 4 hour resistance. The daily candle closed bullish. Nice. So yeah, I mean, we'll see what we can get in terms of trades today. In terms of buys, obviously, there's these resistances, so we've got to be a little bit cautious there. So yeah, 143.957 sells below. Could be interesting too. It's not too bad down there. What time is that at? 12:30, 1 o'clock. EJ daily candle, no bottom wick. Yep. Yeah, Asian session just pushed straight away. Max, since EJ and GJ have more than 90% correction, is there any sense to try and trade both? Yeah, 100%. You just gotta plan both of them. That fake out one before on Monday was nice. Could have potentially taken it there. So there we go, 50-minute time frame on Goldie's gonna close out in 24 seconds, rejecting that little support it's made before. Did anyone take this GJ? Leipzig got bad, yeah. Isn't that mad though, the difference in like games? This is retro.
Pep, can you sum up Vincent Kompany's contribution?
But once we break the holding midfielder, we have to be more quicker. And sometimes the people think, you know.
He's wearing like Count Dooku's outfit, I swear. He's wearing like a Sith Lord's fucking outfit.
See the perfect big game player in that sense.
Listen, I in the French interview I said before, always we have a score goals here in the Champions League. We scored 4 goals against Madrid. We scored 6 against Monaco the first year. We scored 4 against Tottenham Hotspur here. The problem was not that I had the feeling that we don't score goals. The problem is that we concede stupid goals in the past. We give them. Most of the cases we give them.
That's so true. Nice, Tommy boy. Pep subbed off Haaland just when he was about to break Messi's record. Oh, yeah. Interesting. That's tough. So 50-minute candles closed bullish here. And yeah, it does look good to continue. Stop loss would be 12 pips on this candle here on the 15. Good morning all. Good morning, Scott. I hope you're doing well. How far is it to 164? Not too far, to be fair. Not too far. Ripstream avowed claim to UEFA. Oh shit, yeah. They're straight on them, you know, there's copyrights. Fucking UEFA, little shit. So yeah, this gold is rejected a little bit. Over here. $19 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Yeah, I mean, there could be an opportunity. It is only the 15-minute closure. That's the only issue. But still got 17 pips to the high. 11 pip stop would be okay. $15 minutes left for this hourly to close as well. So yeah, I mean, the hourly res is at 8.780. So I think I might have missed this one. Maybe should have really got in there just very early on. Yeah, 6 o'clock. It's when I get, when I get up and get ready, really. I look at 5:45 for the charts, but looking like we rejected here and we're coming back down. So I was like, oh, that's fine. Next candle, zoom. Would you take AUD CAD style? Send me a chart and I'll take a look. Yeah, guys, make sure you send some charts in. Let's get the ball running with that. It's the best thing to do to help out your zones and what you're looking at. Send me some charts. Need them big boy charts. Doo-doo. What's up, bro? Let's take a look. Yeah, beautiful. Took buyers here and the candle flipped on, rejected on the flip, but I got stared. I don't really know. So low volumes to close 12 pips of profits. Any tips? You know why? You know your issue. You just closed too early. You should just go break even and let it rock. Let it rock. Because realistically here, the zone was big enough, and there was good volume, right? Because look, you had such strong closes here. Look how strong the 30 closed. So I think you're fine. Just give it a bit more confidence. That's all. Gold look nice for buys if close above. Gold buys at 1905. Yeah, I think I don't know. I think today may be a little bit of a retracement day on Goldie. I'm thinking more of sells, to be honest with you, especially after a close bearish. So yeah, I think maybe 1905, 1906 area, yeah, like up here. Then potentially, because we're coming back above Asian highs, back into that zone, pushing to 1909 could be okay. Doo-doo. That could be okay. So yeah, we still got a waiting really here. Actually, you seeing this right? Yes. Oh yes. Yeah, EJ's rejecting as well, but kind of, you know, what you've got pips out of this as well. Let's take a look. So stop loss closure above with 16 pips. Yeah, you got like 14 out of it. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. And you had a couple opportunities there. Look at these candles looking a little bit smaller now. Yeah. Candles printing maybe a little bit smaller. So yeah, EJ coming down. Right, GJ's relaxing a little bit. You know, still back up to 164 would be realistic. I think potentially. So maybe with a bit of volume, break of that high, potentially to continue further. The only issue is the, as I said, the hourly resistance is only just there, 876. So we'll wait and see. It's 8 minutes left for this new hourly. GJ also has 4 hour. Yeah. At 970. Agreed. Let's look at these 5 minutes and Goldie starting to creep up. But yeah, we went through pretty much yesterday in NY session while we're waiting for this news. Just about this month so far. And it's been quite a painful month actually in terms of price action. So if you are doing well and you're profitable, then you're doing well, man, because there has been a lot of ranging days. Possible suit play for gold. We'll see, you know. We'll see. Closing in 7 minutes time. Barco's been having impulses a lot, yeah. 3.5% up for the month so far for me. Nice, Alex. Good lad. Good lad. Yeah, there's been a lot of thing engulfing back in the range. Retest would be good. Yeah, I totally agree. Yeah, it's a strong candle, right? Look at that. Bullish engulfing. Hopefully the next candle can make a lower wick. And then we can shoot up. So, oh, someone said, someone recommend me a car for the first time car? I'd say a Fiesta, man. Fiesta just works. Very nice. So yeah, where would the retest be? Yeah, it'd be around here, 1901. So what you could potentially do is wait for this candle to close, wait for the lower wick, start the new hourly, take the buy at 1901 area. Stop loss below and then run to 1905. Damn, GJ break even. Yeah, that's a shame, man. Max, where do you play your music from? Yeah. Yeah, yesterday we were having a big rave. We're having a big rave. Max, where's your coffee? Yeah, I haven't had coffee this morning. Yesterday I had a bit too many. I think, so I may wait on a little bit more. How much per day? I had like 4 yesterday. It's quite a lot for me. I know some people have like 7 or 8. Matcha. What's matcha? Max, you look like Che Adams. Who's that? Che Adams. He's fucking black, bro. It's extractive green tea. Oh wow, yeah, I like green tea. Yeah, I do like green tea. Green tea's nice, man. Refreshing. Max Che Adams on the waist down. Damn, son. 2 minutes left. I'm not liking how this gold's already rejecting that zone. Can you see it's already... It came back into it. 5 minutes, like, ooh, I don't know if I like this zone. So yeah, this 30 minutes closing in a minute's time, looking like it may close below the zone. So yeah, some sort of retracement today from 1896 would be great. How's Bitcoin doing? I can't believe I sold there, you twat. It's nearly closed. It's closed above, nearly closed above. Back up to 28,000 would be interesting. If it closes bullish, what do you think about a sell below 18 at 99? We'll see. Yeah, maybe a celery. You profit 11 every month. Why don't you trade a big account? I do. So yeah, closing here in 16 seconds. Looking like it's rejecting here. Yeah, this is a strong bearish 5-minute candle. The only issue you have is the stops are, the stop losses are a bit off, and the zone is still a bit nasty. Oh, nice. I see where it bounced on the 5. Yeah. The lower block there, yeah. Goes back below on the 15. 3-minute closing right below the resistance. Good celery play. Yeah, but it's just... Actually, I suppose you could use the current candle. 28 pip stop for a 20 pip gain. It's still a bit off. Yeah, it's the only issue. Yeah, these charts now, GPY charts looking maybe a little bit slower. careful of EJ, there's news on all this time. Be a little bit cautious. Aggressive sells, or you could do break a previous 15-minute low. $25 pip stop, 34 pip gain. That could be okay. Is it one of my setups though? Not really. Not really. So yeah. Yeah, and also remember that it is at 1900, right? Big psychological level, so it can happily sit around 1900 for a while. You know, it's a huge psychological level. Yeah. Let's go here. Could I get a closure back in the zone? Maybe Asian fake out. I wouldn't say it's the cleanest or the easiest trade to take on GJs here, but still could be an opportunity. Let's take a look at Goldie. Still no lower wick on this new hourly. Is there any trend lines that I've seen? It's too shallow. GJ Asian fake out. Yes, potentially. We are still very bullish though, that's my only concern. This was Asian high, however the resistance was maybe a little bit lower here. And there was support there as well, so it's a little bit on the choppier side. What I've realised, because I actually went through it a bit yesterday as well by myself, is that GJ's closure back in the zones need to be a little bit cleaner than the gold ones. The gold ones doesn't really matter. The gold ones just run. The GJ ones need to be quite clean. 15 looks a little bit messy. The 30-minute, I suppose, is not bad. We'll see. 25 minutes left for that closure. Yeah, so Goldie's just sorting itself out. I still think these sells are going to come to vision, especially how that just rejected that zone. So we'll see. Looking like it's coming back up right now. I don't use trend lines on GJ. Yeah, I don't use trend lines yet on La GJ. So yeah, so far doing not too bad, to be fair, for this month. Not too bad overall for the year. 73% win rate. EJ closure back in the zone? Question mark. Yeah, forgets there. The only cause of concern, as I said again, is that the 30-minute res is actually a little bit lower here, like there. So yeah, obviously, you know, the Asian high on the 15 is there, it's fair, but the 30 is really what I want to take on, and that resistance is here. So I've got to wait a little longer there. 30 likes, guys, let's get those likes up. Also, make sure to send me some charts in. I'm waiting patiently. Let's get some charts in flowing. See what maybe trades you're looking to take or have taken. all helpful stuff. Yeah. I think we got another subscriber as well, so we're getting so close to this target of 10,000. 10,000. Yeah, I posted that little thing on Instagram yesterday, just this one here.
Negative. What I mean is a lot of people make a winning trade where they...
So yeah, go through that. Very, very simple, man. Some people get vexed about taking a winning trade because they didn't hold on long enough. It's like, bro, you need to stick with the plan. Take your piece every day, and you should be good. Don't be worried about the big move. The big move, you can't guess when it's going to happen unless you've had your banks. So it's best to just take your little piece out every single day. So Goldie coming back up, yeah, this is interesting. Interesting on Goldie here. Let's take a look then what the first levels of this news was. German WPI, French CPI in 40 minutes or so. My boy Zach is on YouTube live streams. Wanting to get into FX, give him a shout out. He's on the YouTube live streams. What? He's live streaming himself? Or watching me? Ah. Shout out to my boy Zach. Hope you're doing well, brother. Hope you're doing well. Would you take GJ closure back in the range if it closes? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, if you get a nice strong 30-minute closure. Should close back in the range, should fill these candles up. Yeah. I think that would be great. So gold filled this wick again on the 15. 30's got no bottom wick. Hourly's still got no bottom wick yet, so it may be a little bit risque. You know, what I mean by this is that, look, right, this hourly's got 51 minutes left of this candle. Look at all the candles next to it. They all have top wicks and bottom wicks, really, apart from maybe that one. And, you know, on average, like 80% chance. So there's an 80% chance that it makes a bottom wick, and normally it makes it at the start of the candle, so it's kind of like, ooh, do I really want to take this buy here? Do I want to risk it for a chocolate biscuit? Max, do the Asian range should be always clean when taking closure back in the range? For GJ, yeah, for GJ it has to be clean, you know, not horrendous. Goldie, you can really do it on all of them, to be honest. Goldie seems to work pretty much every time. So, with all the data that I've got, and I've actually all put them on now, we can start to look at trades and what trades did well. Obviously, we need to finish 2021, but we can look at 2022. We can start to look at the bigger picture now, right? So let's take a look, right? First thing, let's take a look at setups. Breakout 65%, fake out 76, onion 63, black ted 78, OB's 81. I think that's wrong. I wonder if it would, because I wouldn't have an 83% win rate if 65. But let's just take a look here. Let's take a look on the 15. So 15's 88% on the flip, but obviously being very, very cautious with which ones to use with stronger ones. Break of the previous high or low is 50% win on 15. So that's quite interesting to know. Something to maybe leave, okay? Break of the previous high or low on the 15-minute time frame is too maybe high up or too low down to get the first push. 50% win rate, there's no point in taking them. Salary play, 100% win rate on the 15. Retest entries, 50. Flips, these are all good for fake outs. Okay. How many trades did he? 148. Yeah. So let's just take a look down here then. So 30-minute time frame, 30-minute flips, 83% win rate. So this is normally the trade that I go for, right? Break of the previous high low, 69% win rate, really good. Celery plays 100%, didn't take one losing trade on celeries, which is nice. Retest 66.6, flips 85s. Fake outs, celeries 50% win rate, but obviously it depends on how many you're taking. So let's take a look down here. And you can start to see. So yeah, looking like gold had kind of like double the percentage gains than GJ. Obviously the most profitable time frame is the 30-minute. Okay, which is obvious. Second to that, second to that is the 15 on gold. The 15 on GJ is quite low. The 15 on GJ, I only took 4 trades on that through the whole of 2021. And only made 1.76%. So it's something that I may just potentially leave, you know. Yeah. Max, why don't you put total pips? Yeah, they're there, total trades here. Okay, that's fine. Breakouts. So breakouts on gold, 85% win rate. So pretty high win rate. Fake out 75%. We only took 17, which is interesting. In that year, I might have maybe missed some. That seems quite a low amount. Onion plays 62%. Yeah, so I think onions is where I'm going to potentially change things. Even though onion actually here on GJ was not bad, 93% win rate. Took 17 of them as well. But I think there's a lot of opportunities that I can maybe get in a bit earlier with the retracement. With the onions on 15-minute break of the lows. Raja talks about it all the time, so I think I'm going to be going through that. Black Ted 87.5, OBs 100%. We took 4 of them. So yeah, not too bad, not too bad. But mainly the profits come from 30-minute breakouts. Yeah. I'm surprised about the fake outs here. We haven't taken many out. Should they've been recorded? Because I swear I take so many fake outs. Maybe not. Fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out. Fake out 6. Oh, I think this is wait 1 second. 1 0 1 2 5 10 16 18 22 25 24 26 29 fake outs overall, is that right? 70. Yeah, okay. So yeah. So that's a good thing about backtest, and then you can look at your figures and go, right, which ones do I need to tweak up on? 2021 so far has been a much harder year, I think. I've only done like maybe 30% of it. Let's take a look. Yeah. So win rate 79, still good. 57% gain. 12 fake out, 60% win rate on GJ, but it makes me 12%, which is not bad, right? So that's good. Breakouts give me 16%. 15-minute on GJ, 66% win rate, only 3% I've gained. So quite interesting that the 15 is really not too good on GJ. 30-minute time frame on gold again, 86% win rate, percentage gained 25% so far. So yeah, and obviously we still got a long way to go in this one. So yeah, it's looking like maybe I may take out 15 minutes on GJ for the most part at closure above and closure belows, but I may any stats for time of trade. Yeah, that's coming out this weekend, Atashi. Yeah, this weekend I'm going to post in the group the times of the trades, the times of winning trades, times of losing trades, and also the percentage of runners. Yeah, that's going to be the webinar this week. So Goldie's rejected again. Gold is ranging, yeah. It's got rejection there. Look at that little M formation. Retest flip. Is that just a 15-minute close bearish as well? Oof. It's not bad, you know. Great rejection. Yeah, this is going to continue. Yeah, little M formation here, right at previous support. Go make M on the 5, yeah. Do. 1885 wick on the 1 hour. Gold is ranging. Yeah, I mean, it's good rejection. And it is a little M formation over here. I think I may have to take this, you know. Yeah. I'm going to take it, guys. So 1902 is the stop. So I'm in, but I'm just writing the signal as well so other people can get in. Yeah, I'm liking the rejection from that zone. It's also an M formation. So this is the first M formation I'm taking, but it is at the level. I actually got in here 1908, it's a little bit lower, like that, to potentially continue bearish. The hourly's rejected the previous zone. The 4-hour time frame is coming back down. Overall, we are bearish, rejecting this zone. And an M formation at resistance is normally a great trade to get into. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. I'm in break at the 15-minute. Yeah. Two, 3, 7 is a stop. Great work. I'm gonna wait for the break of the 15 mini support. Sounds good. Do. 36 pips to the low there, 1895, which would be great. It'd been very nice. Where would it go break even? Probably the low there. So yeah. Take a look at GJ rejecting again. Nice. do. Finish playing information? Yeah, I will do after. Break even now? Yeah, so in terms of break evens, yeah, I'm thinking of maybe getting in break even a little bit around this area. Why? Well, because the fact that the support is there. I want to wait until we get the next little push down, and then I think I'm going to go break even here. Right, so in terms of this trade, we are coming towards where we've rejected before. So I'm going to go break even at this point. And let this rock. I just want to rack. I just want to rack. I just want to rack. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, guys. Yeah, good spot. I saw that. I was like, ooh. Ooh, M formation. Nice. Got back down to the low. If you guys do want to close some here, that is probably the perfect level to close some. Yeah, do you know what? 5 minutes left for this 30. I'm probably going to close some here. Eventually, if we just break this low, though, we could get a final little push. Come on, boy. Here we go. Okay, guys, so I'm probably going to close 80% here. Just because it is at that support. Yeah, I'm going to close 80% here, guys. At 14 pips, not bad. And then I'm going to leave the rest running to the low. Okay? Why? Well, because, you know, I want to take my money off because we are at a level that we have rejected before here. I do know that we're going to continue here. And also, we have 5 minutes left for this 30. So, I'd rather take my positions off there. And, leave the rest rocking. And that was 0 drawdown as well. Beautiful work. So people in the mentorship, if you guys didn't really know what this trade was, go to the G drive. Go to a G drive 1 second. Go to webinars. And go to... Did I delete them off? They'll be somewhere. I have to go find it. I may have not have uploaded it yet. Maybe. But yeah, beautiful stuff. Let's go. Let's get some dubs in the chat, guys. Easy work. Easy work. Very, very nice. Looking like it's made the top wick as well. Hopefully, everything can drive. Just took a beautiful trade on Goldie over here. Took 80% off. Now got a little bit running. Hopefully, it can stay on. But yeah, amazing work on the stream. Dubs in the chat as usual. Nice. And that's how it is, man. Just taking your little piece out of the market every single day. Okay. We waited very, very patient here as well. I waited for more of a rejection. Waited for them to continue. Wanted to get the retest going. Maybe a little bit lower than I wanted, but I still secured pretty nicely here. 14. Stop loss was like 20. Not bad, Sunny Jim. So trade's cool. Gold plus 14 pips. Hopefully this runner can continue. And we should be good. There's the top wick, right? So there's the top wick of the hope. Oh, we have the 30 minute hasn't even closed yet. Fucking hell. Well, hopefully that is the top wick of the 30. We don't have to come back and retrace. We can just push down over here. So yeah, I think by the time it is, I'm gonna say probably May. By May, I'm gonna be introducing basically my full playbook, using the new data that we've been doing for the past 6 months. I'm gonna make it all nice. Just by breaking because of spread, but close 80%. Nice. What broke you on, Danny? I see. Yeah, it was. I mean, obviously this one here, you can't just take a sell stop on here, can you? But if your spread's that bad, So yeah, there's a couple of things I'm going to be doing. There's going to be more times where I'm just going to be closing full instead of holding. The only levels that I've been seeing that actually hold, because obviously, look, I have all this data now, right, from the last 2 years. I can see which trades run and which trades don't. If there's zeros there and there's numbers there, then the runners did not run. So I can start to pick out which ones run and which ones don't run, based on their time, based on their setup. So we can really, really hone in on that. Ooh, EJ, nice. Nice. Broker rocket. Awful, to be honest. Danny, man, you need to get IC, bro. I'm telling you. Close below, so we could be looking good here to continue for the runner. Yeah. That'll be really good. That'd be great. Would you re-enter here with the closure? No. I suppose you could maybe use 15-minute stops. But for me here, no. I don't actually like this zone below. The only reason why I like this trade was M formation at support or resistance now, and we had clean candles to there. For me, below here, I don't actually like. This is quite wicky. This is a support, so I'd rather let the runner do that damage. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. Can you check AUD CAD? Can you send me a chart? I'll take a look at it. Max. Quick trade, yeah. Quick trade wasn't not bad, eh? Not bad. Quick trade. There's a top wick. Flip and push. Do you use the 30-minute to draw the zones? Yeah, for the most part, but I will use 15 to analyze the to find like other support and stuff. I'll normally use the 15 to draw my zones. Actually, yeah, it depends, right? If right, let's say this. If there's a resistance and a support, if it's like this. And on the 30-minute, the resistance is there, but there's a candle on the 15 that closed above, and then faked out. I'd use that high, not that high, yeah, because it's faked out that zone. Greetings from Argentina. Oh, Argentina. 50 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. 230 people here. Watch that trade happen. From start to finish. Told you when I was getting in. You may have to be on the ball to get in, to be fair, but really solid work. Yeah. Shout out to Brian. Brian talks about the M's all the time. Very nice. That was a good M as well. Look at that. And Tommy Boy, and Session, and everyone. Hello from Mauritius Island. Oh, Mauritius. Okay. I see you. Mauritius Island. Lucky for some, eh? So yeah, hopefully we just fill this zone. That would be great. Push. And obviously this is all called on the mentorship as well. Okay. So if you do want the signals, you are good. Yo, can I get a link for the G drive? Sure thing. Just go to the pinned message here. Go to G drive link here and then ask for access, and then I'll add you. I closed prematurely. It's okay. You still closing profit. Don't worry about it. Move on. Okay. Stop getting those negatives to come in. Right. You did a great trade. Right, I'm just going to close the rest here, guys. Potentially, how long have we got left of this zone, actually? Let's take a look. I've still got 17 pips, to be fair, and I'll leave it on a little bit more. Do you trade Euro USD? No. I trade GJ, Gold, and EJ. Hey man, just tune in. Would you stop loss a high the 15? Yes. Yeah. Beautiful. So 24 pips in profit. 25, 26. Coming towards this level, how big difference is this? Yeah, I'm just going to close here, guys, full. Now, the reason is because... closing full here. Beautiful. So, yeah, close full there, 23 pips. It's because there's only a little bit of difference left until it's below the support. And actually below, I'm going to take another trade. So very nice. So now we can work out how much we made today. Okay. We can work out how much we made. Hmm. 100%. So if you go here, we close full at 20. 3. Made 1.1%. Beautiful. Yeah. Lots of different patterns, you know, there's the 5 minute can show you a lot more what's actually happening. Yeah. So beautiful. Close there. Very, very happy with that. So now potentially I'm gonna wait for closure below 1896 for my next trade. Do you use fixed lot or 1.4%? 1.4% each trade. And I think that's pretty much it for Goldie there. Thank you very much for subscribing, Clark. We're getting very, very close to 10k, boy. $10k. Oh, it's Mandalorian as well today. Hopefully it'll be actually a decent episode, because the first two have been pretty shit. I think it actually comes out at 8 o'clock. I know, it's already out. Nice. Soon you'll be a guru and never you have to trade again. What? Only 60 life, guys. That's disgraceful. Disgraceful. So it's still very early on. It's still 7:41. We've still got a lot of time. Yeah, you just gotta go for them things. Like, for example, you know, what did I talk about? And Don does it all the time as well. I think we both do it, right? We're coming down to support. We know that the 15 is going to close. The 30 minute is also about to close. We know that next candle can make a top wick and reject, so best to close before that 30 minute. This top wick can fake you out or just tap you at break even, so best to close before that. Then when it makes a top wick and flips, then you know you're going to get the next drive. Yeah. So I think finally I may be able to go to the gym in the gap. Actually, no, I can't. It's taking Kate to fucking doctors. 2 weeks, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, so on Friday I can do the London stream. NY stream I won't be able to do, but I'll be trading because I'll be on the train. I'll be on the train to Liverpool for St. Patrick's Day. But yeah, I'll be trading on the train. I've got like 2 hours down before I start drinking, so we'll hopefully get some trades there. Obviously later on today we have US news. Thursday we have some Euro news at 1:15. Friday is actually not too bad, so all right. You'll feel like Raja in the chain. Yep. So yeah, I think the opportunity that you had today was this one here. Okay, which you could have got maybe 15 pips from. Might got break even there, and then obviously the gold one here as well. Very nice. Right, let's play a little bit of Wordle. We've got some time to wait now. The only thing I'm really waiting for here is Goldie to come back down, really. GJ and EJ all pushing up, that's fine. I have a weird question, but you said that you have ADHD in one of your videos. Have you been properly diagnosed? And if so, do you think it somehow affects you trading? No, I haven't been, but I don't think properly diagnosing me is going to help. You know, for me, you know, stuff like that, it's like, well, if I am great, if I'm not great, I don't really want to be taking tablets to help me with that. It's, you know, it's how my brain's formed, that's fine. But yeah, it's quite annoying because you can't focus on one thing. You'll be looking at 30 million things, but you won't be focusing on any of them. Which seems to happen quite a lot, but yeah, so yeah. Contexto Max, yeah, we'll do that as well. We did that yesterday actually on NY stream. Let's take a look then here. We've got an E in it. Yeah, that happens to me, yeah. I don't know why I've put the E there, no. What one with the E? Oh my god, I can't just think of a word. Did Wixie get a trade last night? She did.
You know, capitalize in a way that they shouldn't.
Ah, same trade as me. Very nice. Very nice.
Ooh. Who was that?
What is that sound?
What was that sound?
So 50-minute just close bullish on support pretty much there. So yeah, I think I'm happy to close there. We'll just wait a little bit longer. Yeah, next week, hopefully, I'll be up and running my new TikTok, which will be about mental health and well-being and fitness and all that kind of stuff. Giving advice to mainly younger people, I'd say. People who are probably younger than me. But actually, people who are my age as well, to be honest, because there's a lot of people who just haven't grown up, let's say. But just to help people out in certain social situations, certain things that you might get stressed out about, the ways. Okay, see ya. Bye. Gym this morning, Caitlin. Wowza. So yeah, just because I seem to help a lot of my friends out in them situations, and they seem to like my advice. So why not just tell other people as well? So yeah. And also I'll be posting my fitness documentary on there as well. Like the good thing is now, and this is why, right? And you know, this is why I always say keep on learning skills. Skills are great. For example, right? Think about this, and this is what I always think about. Before, I had an editor to do my videos, and it was good. It was fine. You know, I paid him money. It's fine. The money didn't matter to me. It was just, it was nice for time. But the issue that I had was that I wasn't learning anything, and I knew that it didn't actually take me that long. I know it wouldn't take me that long to actually just learn how I edit if I just put my mind to it and just did it like for an hour every single day. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna do it myself. So I did it myself, and because of that, now I know how I edit videos. Now I can start making, you know, fun videos. I can edit properly. So I've given myself a new skill set just by putting that extra work in. I could have just delegated to someone else and paid the money, but I've now opened up a whole new branch where I can do something else. You know, I can make an Instagram about mental health and all that kind of stuff, which I feel I could give a lot to. So pushing down now, looking like a lot of volumes coming in here. Look at GJ and that as well. Wow. Pushing P. Max, is the percentage gain in the corner based off of using 1.4%? Yes. Yeah, boy. So GJ's came back to resistance. Great work. I mean, amazing work there. Pushed up nicely. Some solid volume as well. Yeah. Yeah, another gold sell potentially in 10 minutes time if you get a nice closure. GJ is a tough area here to trade with resistance. Yeah. Yeah, it's a big zone below, which is nice. Anyone looking at GJ buys above? There's so much resistance here. I tell you right now, if you actually go back test like just taking buys on GJ, they're not nice at all, man. For me, what you should do is just wait for support to form. It seems to be the easiest way to take a little bit out of the market. Taking buys in GJ just seems to be pretty painful. So 9 minutes left for this GJ. Sorry, Goldie. And yeah, obviously, you need to also remember as well, GJ is at 164, man. Big psychological level. Don't expect this to fly off straight away without you. Remember that. If you guys do want to join the mentorship as well, the bot is I've put it there. Make sure to come and join the fun. Over like 130 people here. Trading NY every day. Getting the singles every day. If you were here from the start of the year, you'd be doing pretty well. You'll be doing pretty well. Hi Max, what is a psychological level? It's a level where price can reject or have resistance where the left hand side actually doesn't show you, because psychological levels are when banks trading these pairs and sending money left, right and center, they're not going to be using 169.43. No, they'll be just doing whole numbers. So when you got 164, that's a whole number, right? Nice 5-minute retest, boy. Beautiful. Bish bash bosh. Beautiful, Tommy boy. Oh, I just lost my mouse. Oh, I've just lost my mouse. I've just lost my mouse. It needs charging. That's no good. I haven't charged it in months, to be fair. I'll give it a... I actually really like this mouse. It's worked a treat, to be honest with you. Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly go get a coffee while this mouse charges a little bit, because I can't actually move at the moment. But yeah, and then we'll maybe go through some psychology tips and stuff like that. But looking good. 5 minutes left for this 30 to close. We'll see how we get on over here. Okay, so let's take a look. It closed below. Potentially to the 15. 15 didn't really. Yeah. Yeah, may have to wait a little longer over here. So see what I mean? I look at the 30. Obviously, 30 spots there, but the 15 is there, which didn't close below. So I'd rather miss the trade than get into a trade where it actually hasn't closed below an all-time on the 15 and the 30. So MX Master 3, yeah, it's MX Master 3. Good, really good mouse. I do like it. Nice. Very nice. Low in the background music. What is it, bro? It's just this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But you mean it closed below? Yeah, it did. It did. Just. 15 didn't know. But nice, looking like it's pushed here. If you did get into this trade, your stop loss was 32 pips. You'd be up 17 now, so go break even. Also coming towards them wicks to the left hand side there. Should we wait for 15 closure? Nah, I wanted to get in right around there. I think that's it for me. Put Goldie there. We'll see. Nice push there. Damn. Oh, what a push. Beautiful. So I'd probably be closing some there because 27 pips, that's what your stop loss is 25, and you're coming towards rejection wicks, okay? So if you guys did get into there somehow, closing, yeah, look at the left hand side. This is where resistance is. So I'd close some there. No upper wick. No, there was one. There was one. Clean. Yeah, very nice. What I would have done, I mean, you know, if the 30 has closed below, what I would have really wanted was a little top wick here anyway, just so I can eye up where if I should take it or not on the 30. But beautiful. Why didn't you take this trade? I've just discussed why, because the 15 didn't close below support. Was about to enter, but didn't broke the low first minute without a decent top wick. Yeah. Please, though, if you guys did get in, make sure to secure there. You're really on point with your strategy. You have no FOMO at all. Respectable. Well, I do stream, you know. If I had FOMO and I had all these negative things, I shouldn't be streaming. So it's kind of... yeah, it's how it is, man. I think you're allowed to stream to people as long as you don't show things that you shouldn't show. For example, over trading, over risking, getting angry about a situation or whatever. It's not good to show people, man. You shouldn't be doing that. Do you FOMO off stream? No. Genuinely, just watching people succeed in this game who don't FOMO just makes you go, well, what's the fucking point? I take my trades and I'm happy. So there'd be TP1. TP2, I'd run all the way to 1883. Yeah. I think that'd be great. $18.83. Discipline is key for sure. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh god, that's a strong coffee. Fucking hell. What are you waiting for? Resistance to form? Yeah, potentially, you know. Yeah, retrace and then resistance to form, yeah. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, I think in the next month or so I'm going to be doing the whole playbook. But what I'm going to be doing is focusing on just tightening on setups. Yeah. So by this weekend, I should hopefully go through the percentages of running trades. Okay. Times of trades from last year. Where were the best times to trade? And then also a webinar on what was I gonna do? There's another one. What did I just say? Percentage running, time. Oh yeah, when to wait for a top wick and a bottom wick, like when to wait for an aggressive top wick and a bottom wick. Yeah. Well, we've ran down 83 pips. Fucking beautiful. Beautiful. But yeah, I mean, literally the Instagram I just posted, people would be like, oh man, I only closed there. No, look at all this. Like, yeah, but that's the plan, bro. That's the plan. And I knew I wanted to enter in when it closed below here. And it was very close to, but it didn't, unfortunately. 30 minutes did, but you know, it's fine. Beautiful. So yeah, looking like this. Can you see in the 30 why I like this zone? Mirroring this area. From there to there. Class. Yeah, and looking at the Sims here, GJ is, Goldie is much easier to trade than GJ. It's just clean, man. You just wait for 30 closures, really, and you're good. There we go, coming towards where I'd probably close quite a lot, 1889, and then obviously the rest 1883. Did you enter on the flip? I just came out? No. 30 closed below, but the 15 didn't. My level, I wanted to close a little bit lower. So yeah. Oh, it's great in Alex. Have you watched, is it just this year's or last year's or what? It's well good. Yeah, if you ever want to get hooked into F1, man, just watch Drive to Survive. I think that's what happened, you know. I think they put it out to the US, and the US has started to realize, ooh, this is much better than cars going around a fucking ring for 3 hours. Beautiful GJ cells over here. Look at the green candles left hand side. The 30-minute did close below, only just, but the 15 for me did not, and I really wanted all of them to close below the support. Beautiful. Talked about it on stream to the T. W analysis this morning. When I press partial TP on my magic keys, it gives you tabs that say set and delete. Do I click set to 80%? If you want to, yeah. A fake account with your name requested to follow me. I thought it was you for a sec. Yeah, be careful. There's a lot of scammers. Makes you want to do a track day. 100%, man. Track days at Silverstone are well good. What a push. Oh, beautiful. But why? Just look to the left hand side, and that was the clean candles. So, in terms of what I've been looking at recently, right, there's been some decent price action past couple of days. I was waiting for a trade yesterday, all of yesterday, a closure above this here. We did eventually get it there. That was in the gap, 10.15. The next candle made the low wick. I was going to get in here on the flip. It didn't. It came back down. Then we closed back above. Can you see here? This was nice. It did eventually push. However, the news is right there, so I left it, unfortunately. But can you see, though? What zone was I going to target? Well, obviously back up to this first level here. So, you know, W analysis again yesterday, looking at the clean zones. You know, I know that price moves quickly between there. So then, if I want to take a trade, I'm going to wait for a closure above this resistance and take a buy in this area. And I can take my money and I can dip. So you're just trying to find areas where the candles are so clean or clean enough to take your money and then dip. So when people are asking me, oh, Max, GJ buy, I just don't care, because like if I just look to the left hand side, what are my issues? What has happened before? We've rejected here before. We've rejected here before there. We've rejected, we struggled to even push here 10 pips. So what's the point? If I want to make 10, 15, 20 pips in a trade, what's the point of me taking trades in this area when I can just wait for clean candles? Okay? So for me here, why am I not really looking at GJ anymore? Well, because the only trade that was reasonable was this one this morning, okay? If we go back and I put this all off like this, okay, all I'm looking at is going, right, where are the clean candles? Well, actually, no, sorry, I need this resistance here. You look to left hand side and you go, right, let's look at the 30-minute time frame. So it's going to be probably above this resistance that I made in Asian high, closure above, clean candles, and there's your trade. You would have got 15 pips out of it with the 20 pip stop. So you might have got break even there, or you might have taken, you know, 1%. How do you feel about missing trades like that, or like gold now? I'm still struggling with that. I mean, I let them go, but after it works like that, it still makes you salty. Man, you just gotta get past that, man. What you've got to remember is gold is moving, like if you just take a look at the daily candles right now, right? Gold is moving significantly more than it normally does, okay? So last daily candle, like this one here, moved 500 pips. Okay, the one before moved like 450 pips. So they've been moving a lot more than they would on a normal day in a normal month. Okay, now this is what, and this is the next stage of trading, right? This is the next stage, which is what the phase I'm probably going to come to is the Raja phase, I call it. Raja will hold trades when there's a huge amount of volume and he knows that there's, you know, there's some big moves. For example, here we know that gold, you know, if it breaks below here, we've got a 60 pip zone. It's going to push that zone pretty quickly with the volume we've having recently. So holding on trades in them areas is reasonable. However, for most people, you need to remember that this is one day out of like, or 2 or 3 days out of literally like 300 days. Okay, they don't really fucking move 500 pips in one day. So knowing this, just go through the probabilities, go through the statistics, right? If you take your trade every single day, you take 15, 20 pips, you make 1% every single day for 250 days, you're going to make quite a bit of money, right? If you try and hold every single trade and get break even for pretty much every single one, apart from that one trade every 6 months that runs 300 pips, right? Think about it. If I take 30 pips, 20, 30 pips every single time, every day, for 270 days, I'm going to be up, what? 4,000 pips? If you take one trade every 6 months, that's 400 pips. You know, you're down a shitload, so just leave it out. Morning, pal. How come you don't use the replay function on TradingView? I think it's shit, man. It's really, really shit. Because the replay function, if you're replaying, like if you're backtesting, if you go onto a different time frame, it's already done the move. It's shit. It doesn't replay on all time frames at the same time. So yeah. So what should I wait for now? You guessed it. Retracement, resistance forming to continue back down to the low. Okay. Yeah, so you know, for this here, you know, it's great, amazing work. You know, if that just goes below, I would have been in this. It's fine. But the other thing that you need to do is that you need to also remember when price makes a low and hasn't hit a support yet, so it hasn't really hit any like these levels here. All you got to wait for is price to retrace, find some more resistance to make like maybe the top wick here of the next 4 hour or whatever. Find some resistance and then retest it back to the low, and that'll be my next trade for NY session probably. If you go back on simulations, it always happens. Price makes a low. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it just continues. But a lot of the times, it'll make a retracement. You can then take a trade back to the low, and there's your second trade. Actually, GJ in that. Oh, sorry, I meant gold. 15 closed below, lol. Alright, 15 closed below now, guys. 70 pips stop. So yeah, that is literally what I'm going to wait for now. Very, very simple. And then what would the trade look like? It'll look like this. Yeah, so the first part is this push down here. Next part is the gap, which is the retracement. Okay, so candles, put it like this. Wait for some bearish confirmation, which I'm going to change very, very soon. I think 15-minute break of previous lows is enough. And then obviously to continue to fill the rest of the zone and back to the low. TP1 will be there, TP2 will be there. Okay? So that's the plan. So can you see, you know, even after I've just taken a trade, I know exactly where I'm going to take my next trades. Okay? So I'm not like really focusing on, oh, what do I need to get? Like, I know exactly what I need to do now. I just need to wait, you know, maybe an hour or an hour and a half for an next retracement, and then I'm going to be good again, right? If it comes my way. So it's that whole process, right? Oh, there's new Chat GPT 4 as well. Nice. Okay, so to finish off, because I don't think I'm going to take much more, maybe, because obviously I've just got to wait here, and GJ's right high. Let's take a look and see what everyone else did.
And the reason why they asked me if I want to do an update by mistake.
Why would I move? I just don't. I don't see myself just moving stop loss like 5 or 4 pips.
So, for instance, that's one level.
Man, our stream is fucking big, bro. Look at all these other streamers, man. Hey, me and Phoenix. Phoenix is doing well, man. Phoenix does well. Really, really good. So shout out to Phoenix. But yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed yet and you guys did learn some information today or did make some money, make sure to like the stream, make sure to subscribe. It helps me out. We're so close to hitting this 10,000, which is pretty cool as well. So it's just finished. So what I'm gonna do now is, oh, we still need to do this Wordle shit. Someone say an E in the name. I don't actually know any. Ooh. Whittle then chess, yeah. What entry type? Just candle closing bearish. What for the next trade? No, it's called resistance forming. Well, it's resistance formed actually. I'm just gonna do that aftercare. What? Sleep. Sleep. Oh, pixel is S. What the fuck? What is it? Sheep. Haha, sheep. Oh, it's not. Sweep. There we go. Easy, easy, easy. Fake out on Wordle. Fake out on Wordle. Sweep the lows, yeah. Sweeping the lows. Let's see if we can get this dude. I can't actually do that now. Great. GJ breaking resistance. Yeah, it's not, but anyway. Look to the left hand side. What's it breaking? It ain't breaking shit. Look at the left hand side here. It's breaking current. But look at the left. No place to take trade. No place to take trade. Stop loss Maz. Oh, it's King Abe in the building, my man. Hello, my brother. How you doing? You take some trades this morning? Look at them gold cells, brother. I took cells there, but yeah, I wanted a closure below. A little bit lower. Goldie here. Just melt it. Well, I'm gonna take you then. Oh no! Shoot me! I didn't look in time. No! Right, okay, guys, it's grind time. Kind of want to move this actually. Oh no! He can shoot me again! Oh my god, no! I think this is a stop loss hit, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Stop loss hit over here. How do you feel about CAD, AUD? Don't know, don't trade them. I think we're both 3 wins today. Beautiful, man. Can we play one game together? I'm just doing this one game, man. The chess puzzles, it helps. I don't get it, right? Because the chess puzzles, like, it just doesn't make sense to me. They tell me to like just sacrifice one of my things for no reason. Attack the knight with... What's the knight again? Ah, shit. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, man. Fuck off. Well, shit. I didn't mean to do it. Mate, if I win this game, it's gonna be a dub, but I doubt it. I don't have many. A lot of them seem to take their time though with moving, which is an advantage point. Yeah, you fucking twat. He's bumming me. Yeah, I think I'm done here. Oh yeah, this guy's done me over. Okay, I give up. I'm gonna get bummed here. I'd rather make him pay than just wait until the game gets off. Okay, yeah, so an L on chess over here. But yeah, as I say, just waiting for some retracement on Goldie later on. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys later on. Amazing move today. Obviously, we took some nice sells there. Would have been nice if we could maybe get at least a little top wick there, and I might have gone for it, but for the most part, I didn't close below my little zone here on the 15. So yeah, amazing stuff, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys later. Make sure to come and join the NY stream if you fancy it. You streaming again later? Yeah, for the mentorship, right? So yeah, I'll put the mentorship link there. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Peace out. See you later, guys. Adios, 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 adios.
See you later,
See you later, Michael, my man. See you later, squad. Thank you so much. Peace out. See ya.